Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to delete watched videos on Facebook. Let's start the video. Open the Facebook app and navigate to the menu bar at the top right. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Scroll down again and under your Information section, tap on Activity Log. Now scroll along the second cursor of options until you can see videos watched. If you are struggling to find this option, you can use the search tool in the top right. To delete individual videos, tap on the three dots next to the video you want to remove and select delete. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. And also if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.